Before we start, as always, I will show you how much I gained testing this amazing method. As you can see, more than $1,000 working for only 2 days. Please guys, watch this video until the end. Don't skip a minute. Copy exactly what I did and you will make at least $100 a day. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a passive income that's pay you without you having to do anything after you set everything up? It's not difficult, and trust me, I have a great method for you today to make this happen. All you have to do now is set up this new passive income source and you will be set. You don't need to have any previous experience, you don't need to make any video of yourself, you don't need to have any social media followers, and you don't even need to have a social media profile. This method, like almost all of the others that I post on this channel, is completely free. You don't have to pay your deposit any money and it works globally. So wherever you are watching from right now, your country is included in this video. I will be showing you a full set step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of this video because I will be dropping some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to possibly double or even triple your online income. But first, hello and welcome to Easy Finance Boy, where we teach you how to make money every single day. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online and you can start making things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. Now, let's go back to the video. Before we get any further into this video, I have a question for you, and I would like you to leave a response in the comment section. My question for you is, what are you going to do with all the money that you can make from passive income? Will you spend it all right away? Will you use it to pay off your student loan, for example, or will you save it until you can purchase something costly, such as a brand new car or anything else? Leave a comment with your response and let's see how many people have the same idea as you do. Now, let's get into the video. So, to get the most out of this passive income source that I'm going to show you today, you will need to set it up correctly. So, watch the video until the end. To begin with, open a browser and type Unbounce on the search bar. Now scroll down and look for the official website of the landing page creator and forum, unbounce.com. Now click on this page, which will take you to the official website. This is the platform that we will be using to launch our passive income stream. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Unbounce, it is a website that allows you to build custom landing page with no coding needed. The website is a fantastic resource for creating beautiful landing page and other content for your website. You may be thinking that this is a website where you have to pay to use the services, and you are correct. However, in order for us to make money from this website using this method, we will not be paying to use their services. We don't need to build a website to make this income stream work. Instead, we will do something else, something that will help both us and this website. As previously I said, this is a completely free method for making extra money. So on this page, you have the ability to make a lot of money. You can see here that you can earn $320 a month, $800 a month, and the most on $600 a month. These are just rough estimates of what you can earn. If you keep watching, I will be showing you a tip to use that you can maximize your income with. Now that you are on the Unbounce website, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website and click on this link that says Partner Program under the Company section. This link will take you to Unbounce.com Partner Program, where you can receive $20 per referral. One of the reasons you're using Unbounce Partner Program is that they pay you monthly. So if you set up this entire method in the first place, you can make recurring commission every month, whether it's been 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even a year. Well, will still be able to make money on a monthly basis thanks to this passive income source. Now, let me quickly demonstrate how much you can receive from only one customer. Here are the various payment options of inbounce.com. As you can see, they have different payment plans that customers can use. The $800, the $18 a month plan, the $20 a month plan, the $200 a month plan. Today, if you promote this package, you will earn 20% commission, which means that if anyone purchases a $200 monthly contract, you will earn $16 per month with only one customer. Now, consider the fact that you have 5 or 10 clients. Getting a large number of customers means that you will be able to receive a large sum of money. So to begin earning with Inbounce, sign up for a free account on the Advanced Partner Program. All you have to do is click the big blue button to sign up. This button will take you to the page where you will enter some basic details as well as your password. Once you enter your password and fill out the required detail, simply check the I agree checkbox and click to get started button. This will now take you to the dashboard where you will see various statistics such as how many clicks your link received, how many people were referred, and how much you earned, and so on. After you've done that, scroll down until the end and find your specific referral link. You are now ready to share this referral link with someone you believe can use it repeatedly. Now, the more people who click on your page, the more money you will be able to win eventually. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I will be showing you how to make more money with this method. But wait, I would like to remind you guys that we have more videos on this channel about how to make money online. The goal of Easy Finance Boy is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of work and effort and time into these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate if you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so the tip I have for you to increase your income is to share your link on Quora.com, and I will show you exactly how to boost your earning using Quora. Quora is a website that serves as a platform for people to post photos and questions about almost anything. So people in Quora are not only asking questions, but they are also answering them. To begin optimizing your income with Quora, go to Quora.com and build an account, which you can do by clicking continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Once you have created your account, I would like you to log in and navigate to your home page. So what you really want to do is find people who are likely to use your referral link. To do so, simply search on Quora how to create a landing page. This will give you the various search results that will relate to creating a landing page. And if you scroll down, you will see that there are several posts about this subject. Now, what I want you to do is click on the question button on the left here to filter the research results by questions. There will be a lot of questions pertinent to the development of a landing page. These are the people who are most likely going to use your link. So copy your specific referral link for unbounded.com and answer as many questions as you like with an answer, like I found this website that you can use to make a beautiful landing page, or a high converting landing page, or something along those lines, and then paste your referral link after that. And that brings us to the end of the video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever we post new content on our channel, which is every day. Of course, don't forget to also hit the like button and leave a comment down below. As always, I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Take care.